Assalamualaikum and hi everybody, it's me Dr. Ija. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed resources such as YouTube into your e-learning at USM. So first thing first, you need to log in into your e-learning, and after you have logged in, it will bring you to your course page. It bring you to the dashboard where you need to choose the course that you wish to embed the YouTube. So let's say here I want to embed the YouTube in this course, which is Statistical Reasoning in Education. And of course, you have to turn editing on before you can edit anything on your course page. And you have to decide to embed the YouTube at which week. So in this case, I want to embed the YouTube in this week, which is regarding Introduction to Statistics. So what I want to do now is that I will go to Edit because I want to embed the YouTube under the information of this week. So I go to Edit Week, and here you see the section name just remain the topic of the week of your lecture or your content. And then for the summary part, you can write down the informations of the YouTube that you wish your students to look at. So do write a proper instruction so that your student know what is the YouTube is all about. So I'm going to write, "Hi guys, as an introduction for this week lecture, please watch this YouTube video regarding an introduction to statistics. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. Thank you." Okay, so after you have wrote the instructions, let's make it bigger so that your students are able to see it. All right, and after you have enlarged the font, save changes. Okay, so you can see the instruction here. So where's the YouTube video? Right, again, you go to Edit Week. If you see this button here, show or hide advanced button, you just click there. And you go to this embed button. So just click embed button. After you have enter space after the text, click there. And here you need to make sure it's at the very most bottom of your summary part. So let's choose the YouTube that you want to embed into eLearn. So you go to YouTube. Let's say I'm searching Introduction to Statistics. Okay, just enter. So you have so many YouTube videos that have been made by other people regarding statistics. Let's say I open this one.
So many may not know this, that having a successful photography career, photographing the likes of...
Skip the ads. And after you watch the video and you found that this video is suitable for your course, so what you need to do is you go to the button share, the share buttons. You can see the same symbols as you have seen in the e-learning. This is the embed symbol. So you just click this embed button. And what you need to do is just click copy. Automatically it will copy into the clipboard. And you go back to your course page and you just paste. You just paste whatever that you have copied from the YouTube, and you just save changes. So, of course, you need to refresh your e-learning, right? And now what you can see that the YouTube that you choose or you embed from the video that you have embedded from the YouTube is already in the e-learning. Okay, it's already in the e-learning. So you can just play it from the e-learn. The student do not have to go to YouTube to watch the video. So this is great, isn't it?
Statistics can be defined.
you can proceed or doing this in other weeks of your course page as well. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.